Good morning, everyone. It is an honor to be here today as we discuss the representatives' insight on the course Effective Communication. Now, as we embody the curriculum and the student experience, let us hear from Shanaya, who has a question for Mr. Ijal about the Effective Communication course.
Mr. Ijal, the university released the newly revised Caraga State University Vision, Mission, and Core Values. As the representative, how do you see the Effective Communication course contributing to the realization of those values, particularly for our students?
Thank you, Miss. From our perspective, we expect that by embracing effective communication course, it would bring a numerous benefit to the whole class. By communicating clearly and actively listening, we can avoid misunderstanding and ensure that our message is accurately conveyed. This not only helps us express our thoughts and ideas effectively, but also fosters stronger connections with those around us. Additionally, practicing effective communication promotes mutual respect and understanding, leading to smoother interactions and the ability to work towards common goals collaboratively. Ultimately, we expect to benefit from the effective communication course, which extends to both personal growth and positive relationship with others. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ijal. We're going to proceed to the next interviewer.
So, Mr. Representative, what can you tell us about Sir Gomer's impact on the effective communication course so far? Has his teaching style left a strong impression on the students?
We can already sense the positive energy and enthusiasm Sir Gomer brings to our effective communication class. Even though the lessons haven't officially started yet, his lively and humorous personality promises an enjoyable learning experience that will keep us all engaged and eager to participate. We're excited to see how his unique teaching style and expertise in this course will enhance our understanding of effective communication. It's clear that this course will be both educational and entertaining thanks to Sir Gomer's jolly and smart approach to teaching.
Now, let us proceed to the last interviewer.
Mr. Representative, how do you see your role in contributing to the success of this course? And what strategies do you think are crucial for excelling in your studies?
We believe one of our roles in contributing and excelling in this course is to actively engage in discussions and share our perspectives openly. This way, we can learn from each other and broaden our understanding in this course. Additionally, staying organized and managing our time effectively will help us stay on top of assignments and tasks. Consistency in our efforts will surely lead to success in the course. We think another crucial role to play is to support and encourage one another. Building a positive and collaborative atmosphere within our class will motivate us all to strive for excellence and make the learning experience more enjoyable. By embracing these roles and working together towards our common goal, we are confident we can achieve great things with this course.
As we have learned today, effective communication is a key to success in both personal and professional life. It is about more than just words. It is about connecting with others, building relationships, and achieving shared goals. We hope this interview has inspired you to embrace the power of communication and to explore new ways to connect with those around you. Thank you.